That wasn't sour cream, and those tacos don't need meat. Saute the onions on a medium-high heat. Don't rush it, that's where the flavor starts. Now the bell pepper, cook until it softens. Next the garlic, 30 seconds all it needs. Now add in the black beans. Next we're going to add my seasoning blend. You'll find the full recipe in the description below. Give the spices about a minute to bloom. Pour the veggie broth. Stir in tomato paste. It dissolves much faster this way. Now let's give everything a good stir until they're nicely coated. And then finish with a fresh lime juice. Lower the heat. We move to the next step. Now let's make our secret sauce. Toss everything into a blender or a food processor. Blend until creamy. Then tweak the seasoning and add a little water or even lime juice or lemon juice until you reach your perfect consistency. You'll find the full ingredients list in the description below. Now some fresh chopped cilantro for garnish. Warm some tortillas, fill them with shredded lettuce, and then the black bean mixture, fresh diced tomato, and plenty of that creamy avocado sauce. Garnish with some lime wedges, and if you're looking for a lighter option, swap the tortillas for butter lettuce cups. They're crisp, refreshing, and just as delicious. So did you like this recipe? If so, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future episodes. And watch my other videos on the screen. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay healthy and take care.